Hey everybody, welcome back to the Stone House. Something kind of fun and different for us. We had a TikTok video go viral. I'll show that to you now, and then we'll get to this little update here that I want to share with you. My wife thinks that this is worth showing. I'm cutting her hair. She thinks it's funny that I'm using my laser in the window. I don't know how else the hairdressers would do it. So we have options here. We can go, like, I could only take off maybe say 7 or 8 inches, and then if you like it, I could go another 5 inches.
No.
I mean, the key to the style, or the method, I should say, is that it's got to be equally wet, I think, so that it lays kind of flat. Yeah, I can cut that pretty straight, I bet. You can't move. I imagine that would mess things up.
Yeah, I don't plan on it.
Okay. Try not to move. It's really straight. It's as good as my tile work. This is making minimal to no difference, probably. It's actually curling quite nicely. The correct way already. You can kind of tell as it's drying. I can see it doing that. Not all of them though, so I'm recutting the ones that don't. I think we'll just see how that looks dried, and then I took off like 8 inches. That's pretty good.
Really?
It must seem shorter.
My normal thing is like that,
Okay.
and then I braid it. It's way shorter.
It's way shorter, yeah, but it's not. It's still long.
What I normally do.
She just said she thought I was recording, but yeah, her hair apparently has been going in the toilet.
It
so.
It doesn't. I have to tuck it in my shirt so it doesn't when I clean the toilet.
Okay, you won't have to do that anymore.
Yeah.
It's way shorter. Is it good?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
It's gonna be $49.99. My wife has been buying a lot of apples and different things like potatoes. She wants a place to store them, and the basement is a mess. But I kind of want to bring this little, I don't even know what it's called, root cellar maybe, back to life. And to finally do that after 8 years of living here. This is pretty cool. It's like 5 feet deep, 4 feet deep. All the old lumber in there. I think I'm gonna rip all that out of there. And then I think we might line it with cedar, make some doors for it. I don't know. I'm getting a little worked up right now. This seems like a bigger project than I thought. Let me think about this.
It's a classical.
This should mostly come out if you look at this. I'm not going to be taking out these big beams here because they look like they're important.
Yeah.
It's pretty big. Lots of spiders in there. That's a pretty cool little spot, isn't it? And you can see I'm not going to take the wood out. Obviously, that's seemingly very important because it's on top of the stone wall. So these big boards, they're holding things up that matter. Things like rock, I think. And there is quite a big gapping. I want to get this thing out of here. I want to see that stone wall. I don't think that stone wall has been seen for a long. I've always envisioned when I go to pull this out that there's a little door right there, or a safe, or treasure, or it's not covering up a mistake, it's covering up treasure.
is my best friend. He really is the best man.
Okay, we're gonna think about this. In case the dilemma is not obvious, I'd like to raise these pegs here up to go back into where it looks like they were meant to be. Problem is when I did hire the concrete floor out, it looks like they concreted this right into the floor. And so I just got to cut, I guess, with my multi-tool flat all the way around that. We can either cut it and move it, picking it up. Oh. I'm out now. Might fall. Can you do that? Are you attached to that piece of wood still there? Wow, that's a big spider. That's a big spider.
Where?
Down there. Not the scary kind. But they were crawling at me.
Okay.
There's another one. Oh, look at that nice hole. Little mouse home. Unfortunately, I don't see any cool, obvious loose rock treasure spots.
Waking up in this paradise, thought I was paralyzed. It's just as I realized, a continuous fall. I jumped on a fast train to jump off a fast train to land on my glass face. It all breaks the same.
Going down the road because they're replacing the culvert, finding cool rocks.
Planes looking for airplanes, destined to make a change. So I jumped towards the sea. Yachts in the ocean, like God is the potion. It's all just emotion. Do you see what I see? I'm seeing stars. I'm seeing stars. I'm seeing stars. Look at the fast cars passing with light bars. We call them track stars, but the bridge stays the same. Bikes in the nighttime, it's never a bad time. Splash of emotions, it feels just like rain.
Thinking if I put them in here like this. I'm gonna cut this one first so I can. Oh, those look so perfect though. To be about 2 inches back so the door will be flush. Okay, so we need this piece to be 50 and a half inches. 50 and a half would be okay.
It looks like we're making like a jail cell, like in a dungeon.
Elspeth is really interested in the hatchet here because as a family, right now we're reading the book Hatchet every night, a couple chapters. And this is the first hatchet she's seen. Looks sick. Yeah, awesome.
Nice.
Yeah. That's good. Because it can't be nailed to the bottom or anything.
Mm-hmm.
So 69. Oh, that's 68 and a half. That's off. I gotta start over.
Mm.
It's almost 69. 68 and 3/4, but let's go 68 and a half. 68 and a half. 69. That was 5 by 5. I did raise that up a little bit, but that's okay. I have a lot of obstacles in my way. It's like, alright, let's try this.
It's just dust.
Yeah, it just looks like the wall in like the castle, you know, as things are getting hit by the
A barrage of cannons or something.
The wall's about to go! You know?
I think it's great. I think you secured it great. It's like super solid. That's totally how they would have done it too. Just use a big beam and boom!
I'd like to check to see if that's plumb.
Fun.
That looks plumb. Oh, that makes my heart happy. This is off, I think, a little bit. That's okay.
You can fix that way.
Yeah, the bottom needs to come out. I'm not sure if I really want to do that.
No, it looks fine. Oh no. What did you do?
The plan is to get some sort of mouse-proof thing that we can put in here and store apples and or potatoes and or something like that. We'll definitely be putting a door on it at some point. Thanks for watching. This was a fun little project. It's a pretty good size hole.
It's seriously like a...
Yeah, but it's cute.
Yeah.
It's a cute dungeon.
It's a cute jail cell.